Hello and welcome everybody. This is going to be a quick lesson today on how to complete the bathroom for your pool house design. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the hub, go into bathroom, kitchen fixtures and appliances, and download this file. Hit open. And then much like the windows and doors file that was downloaded and copied into your pool house file, we have fixtures and appliances that we're going to be using in our bathroom and our kitchen when the time comes to work on that. So as shown before, we're going to draw a box around everything, right click, go to clipboard and copy. Click over to your pool house drawing and paste. Clipboard, right click, left click clipboard, left click paste. I'm going to drop all of this right here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is use the bathtub and place that into the bathroom. Now there's also showers here, but I'm only going to be using the bathtub and you're going to see why in a minute. So we're going to select the tub, go to modify, copy it, and then bring it up to the floor plan. Next, turn ortho on, and I'm going to mirror this because it's not pointing the way I want. So I want it like this. So click, erase the source, yes. Okay, I'm going to take the tub, so I'm going to go to move, select my object, hit enter, and I'm going to snap it from this endpoint into this endpoint here. Now look at that. My bathtub fits my bathroom perfectly along the width. Now, is this a coincidence? No, it's not. I purposely drew the bathroom to fit the length of the tub. This is typically most of the time what you have. Your bathroom width suits the length of the tub. Now, your bathroom may not do that. It may be larger. And in another lesson, we'll talk about how to make that acceptable. But I'm pretty happy with how mine looks right here, and I'm going to continue on, and you're going to see that a small bathroom can be very, very efficient and preferred. So we're going to go down again, and I've got two types of sinks. My bathroom's small, so I don't have room for a lot of countertop space. I'm going to use this style right here. So I'm going to copy this up, turn ortho off, make things easier, and drop it right here. And then again, I'm going to group it because the sink is not grouped in this case to the counter. You don't have to use the counter if you don't want to. You can just have this as a pedestal sink and you would just include this, but I want to include a little bit of counter in my bathroom. So I'm going to select it and group it. And I want the sink to go along the same wall where the plumbing's going. I'm keeping that all on one side. So I'm going to be rotating this, turn ortho back on, and then select it, move, and then snap to this endpoint. Okay, so I've got enough space here for my bathtub. I want the spacing to be equal on both sides of my toilet. So what I'm going to do is go to annotate, hit center line, select this line and this line, and create the center line. And I'm going to be snapping the toilet into this space right here. So I'll click back to home, go down, the toilet's grouped, turn ortho off, and I'm going to copy it up. Turn ortho back on and rotate. Like that. I'm going to go to move, select it, and then find the midpoint snap, and then snap to the endpoint. And there I have it. This center line is going to erase, and I have all my bathroom fixtures in position. Again, this bathroom is small, but it's very efficient. There's enough room to enter, enough room to walk around, walk to the tub, get to the toilet. There is enough space. Got nearly 10 inches between the bowl and the sink. And the same on the other side. So it just makes sense that I would break the space up between the tub and the toilet and the sink and the toilet evenly. Now I have one last thing I need to do, and we're going to set up a drawing layer for this. When we copied the windows and doors in, the layer came in with them. So when I click the layer manager, I've got layer 0, which the walls are on. I've got text and walls, windows, and doors. So what we're going to do is go to layer properties, and we're going to go up to new layer. So we're going to call this layer bathroom. Actually, I'll make it all capitals to keep with the theme I've got going here. And I'm going to change the color to green. You can make it any color you like, but I'm going to pick green for mine. And I'm going to hit OK. And that's all I really need to do. So I'm going to close this off. I'm going to select the tub, the toilet, and the sink. Go up to my layer manager, put them on the bathroom layer. And that is how you complete the bathroom fixtures, or one way to do it. And I will talk to you later. The next time we speak, we're going to be looking at completing the galley kitchen. Take care, everybody.